Welcome back. In this episode we look at assigning occupancy to a turnout for both the multiple feedback method and for the single feedback method. Okay, so a feedback is assigned to a turnout by opening the turnout properties, and in the Options tab select the feedback that is appropriate to that turnout. For the per turnout method, that means that it will be a different feedback per turnout. So repeat the process for each of the turnout properties. The second occupancy field is used for crossovers, single slips and double slips, which have two isolated sections of track, and for some very large turnout types that may also have two isolated sections. But for standard turnouts, including these multiple branch types, only one feedback is needed. For the single feedback method, we simply assign the same feedback to each of the turnouts in the structure. So go to the turnout properties, select the appropriate feedback, feedback 6 in this case, and then repeat that for each of the other turnouts, feedback 6. And it is as simple as that. So that is all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial we look at where to physically place a single feedback and how to wire feedbacks to turnouts. So until then, bye for now.